What's up everyone, and welcome back to AI Made Tech Reviews channel. Today, the hype is real. We finally have the highly anticipated Apple AirPods Pro 2 in our hands, and we're cracking them open for a full unboxing and first impressions. Let's dive in. First things first, the packaging. It's classic Apple, clean, minimalistic, with a clear image of the AirPods Pro 2 on the front. Flipping it over, we see the usual details like features and tech specs. Nothing too surprising there. Alright, enough chit chat. Let's get unboxing. As you can see, the layout is familiar. We have the usual paperwork on top, including the warranty card and a quick start guide. But what we're really here for are these beauties. The AirPods Pro 2 charging case looks very similar to the first generation, but there are some subtle differences we'll talk about later. Setting the case aside, underneath we have the new ear tips. This time Apple's included an extra small size for those who struggled to find a perfect fit previously. And here's the included lightning cable for charging. Now back to this sleek charging case. Like I mentioned, it looks very similar to the first generation, but upon closer inspection, there are a few key changes. First, we have a brand new cutout here on the bottom, which some rumors suggest might be for a future lanyard attachment. Additionally, these tiny speaker grills on the bottom seem new as well. Maybe these hint at some improved features? Alright, enough with the case, let's see the stars of the show. Popping open the lid, we see the AirPods Pro 2 themselves nestled inside. Design-wise, they look almost identical to the first generation. However, some rumors hinted at a slightly shorter stem design. It's hard to tell at first glance, but maybe a side-by-side comparison will reveal the truth. Alright, let's get these bad boys synced up with my phone. The pairing process, as always with Apple products, is super smooth. Just open the case near your phone and a pop-up appears for easy connection. First impressions on comfort? They feel great. The included ear tips seem to do a good job of creating a snug seal. Controls seem to be the same touch gestures as the first generation. Play, pause, volume control, and noise cancellation toggling. Speaking of noise cancellation, we'll definitely need to put that to the test in a future video. Same goes for the transparency mode. But for now, these initial impressions are very positive. So that's it for our first look at the Apple AirPods Pro 2. We've covered the unboxing, design changes, and some initial impressions. In the coming days, we'll be putting these AirPods Pro 2 through their paces. Sound quality testing, noise cancellation comparison, and a full battery life test. So be sure to subscribe to stay tuned for those in-depth reviews. Let me know in the comments below what features you're most excited about with the AirPods Pro 2, and if you have any questions about the unboxing. So far, don't hesitate to ask.